Hi, y'all. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, vodka. I'm not talking about the good stuff. I'm talking about rot gut cheap stuff. You go in the liquor store and you say, what's your cheapest, biggest bottle of vodka? And that's what you buy. Then you take it back to the shop and you put it in a spray bottle. Now, it is straight vodka. It is not mixed with water. I see all the time people saying, oh, they have cut the vodka 50% with water and they used it and the costume still smells. Well, when you cut it with water, you're cutting down the alcohol that kills the bacteria that causes odors. Also, if you're spraying it on like a silk or some kind of natural fabric and you've cut it with water, you often get water spots then that don't go away on your fabrics. So again, straight vodka, cheap rot gut straight vodka. So I have a couple of rental costumes here that have just come back. This one came back really sweaty because a lot of times, people finish the show and they have to throw them in a box and mail them back. And they come back and they're kind of nasty sweaty and, you open the box and your eyes start watering. So I took the undervest that has sleeves on it because that's the worst smelly part. And I put it in a laundry bag and I put it in the washing machine with cold water and all free and clear or whatever we happen to have. And it smells much better. I don't do that with the outer vest every time. I do it when it really needs it. But if it doesn't need it, then I spray it with vodka to make sure it doesn't smell bad. So the first thing I would do, open it up and get to work. Lots and lots of vodka. You can saturate it. I'm gonna really work on the areas that tend to get the most sweat, around the neck, around the arms, the back, chest. And it's the alcohol in the vodka that destroys the bacteria, and the bacteria is what causes the smells. All right, done with that. And this I will go ahead and spray too, even though it's clean and it smells pretty good. I can still tell that there was sweat on it though. And then we just hang them up and let them dry. You can do the same with tutus. This one just came back from a rental. Now, we always wash the crotches in tutus. Vodka's just not enough usually. But for the bodices, I don't have to wash them completely every single time. I can spray them and let them dry, and it kills the bacteria. So as you can see, it's not brain surgery. It's very simple, and it does make a huge, huge difference to the longevity of your costume because you're killing bacteria. That's it.